Hey folks, let's take a look at how to make a series of layers and arrange them in 3D space very easily. There you go, I've got a little camera on them so you can see I can move them about, and yeah, and it's just all about how to set these up with a simple expression. Okay, so what I've done is I've got a square here, just a simple square, there it is, and let's just make sure I've got the anchor point in the center. Always like to do that. There you go. So it's just a square. Okay. And I'm going to make that 3D. Okay. Now I've hit the P key. Okay. What I've done here is I've chosen, okay, to separate the dimensions. Okay. So we've got an X, a Y, and a Z separately. Okay. So I'm now going to duplicate this and hit P, and I'm going to link the Z position from the new square to this square, and if I press double E, okay, we'll see the expression. So I'm simply going to add to this plus, okay, so plus say 500, okay, and like that. Okay, so I just put plus 500 at the end. Okay, it could be any number you like. Okay, so if I made it like 700, it'd be further away. Okay, so whatever you want. All right, and now if I simply duplicate this again, what it's going to do is it's going to reference the layer square and add 700 to it. Okay, so it just stays, okay, the new layer is just in the same place. Okay, it's not behind the other one. Okay, so let's delete that, and let's just change here where it's a square. Simply change it to index plus 1. Okay, so the index is these numbers here, 1, 2, etc. Okay, so now if I duplicate it, this is going to go down to layer 2, and there'll be a new layer 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so it's going to be 700 behind the next layer. Okay, so changing it to that, it's no longer referring to this layer, it's just referring to whatever number is ahead of it. Okay, so hit Command D or Control D on a PC, and you get another layer, and you keep hitting that. Okay, and you can have as many as you like. Okay, so I'm going to just stick a camera here. Layer, new camera, and I'll just do what I like to do and put a orbit null on the camera to control it. Okay, so you can see there I moved my camera about. All the layers are nicely arranged in 3D space, so you can do animations. Okay, you can take your camera, you can move it in and along, whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's just made it really easy to get them all sequentially layered. All right, thanks for watching, buddies.